Hi, this is Bawumia Obibia Akwaba. Hadia later Zion Hot Isqua and the Bremo. And so we subscribe. Or say over subscribe to that channel. You'll be answer over click the subscribe button. Now barely notification. We have a video for phobia by uploaded when the first person I will sub the car video. I feel we are now like video. Give us a thumbs up. Now fee. Share my Ato Forson when you be here and I will and summer and also a word down a baby. I feel you share a year and summer about the door you also. Yes, I report here about to get it is answering.
We probe into this visa fraud by a relative of President Darko Akufo Addo and also a senior advisor to the government. Folks, now, Sammy na Korea say senior advisor on one DBP. Ipamocho ni DBP. So mon chairman so. Now, Ebra Asemi Basano. The SAA say we have to find a way to interview the victim. Many interview first a victim no edi nkomo. Say otchere nsemu how we ya say visa and seminar ekokobaya. So tonight I want to play you the interview. Na victim nankasa enkanasem. But for some security reasons victim no omonidi. But the senior advisor no unim no. The one wants to say onimini pao. Just say it's like a family affair. But since you di nipa no bonesa any de minti minche. Me pese wo tie interview we say victim nanka say kasa. Na ode order nsemodi. Kwan ye kofa asoma we na e bae. Chenwa so ne tie ni. Take a listen to this.
Well, for some time we have been investigating this case as we've given highlights and also a premiere a couple of months ago about a member, if you like, a family member of this President Darko Akufo Addo, who earlier we said this investigation is about how he tried to secure a visa for a family member to travel outside Ghana, and unfortunately this move couldn't come on. An amount of some thousands of pounds sterling is involved in this whole transaction. He was unable to secure the visa, and the money also have not yet been refunded to the family. We've tried this investigation all to the logical conclusion, and tonight we have the person or the family head who apparently supervised this move to let this individual, who is a member or a relative of the President Darko Akufo Addo, to assist this family member to travel, and it didn't work. And we're here to speak to the family head, and I'm not going to ask a name as it were her name, but to let her tell us the story, how all happened. Good evening, madam. Great. Now, in our investigations, we know that the person who was to assist your relative to travel outside London is Gabby, a relative of President Darko Akufo Addo. Can you confirm this?
Yes.
Okay, first, give us a short story of how this gentleman, Gabby came into the situation to assist your relative and how it ended. Did you get the visa? Has he refunded the money? Mutia cash man, and I said, Moyen is saying, Ubetiaka, Kubetiaka, for Mubia.
It was paid in pound sterling.
Pound sterling. Okay. The Yebisa said, transaction course or Ghana Hana said, a course or London, because oftentimes you are not in Ghana, you are in London.
Yeah, in London, the transaction.
Okay. The baby says, primary sooner. Ofa suba London ebi ankuta modibi course anampo se kwan be so na Gabby na muhunu a Gabby na address obeyesa emwana mam
through a friend named Akuntajo. They introduced
you. Gabby ma.
Yes.
Okay. Inti Gabby no muni ni share or London and I say mu share or Ghana.
London.
Oba London.
Yes.
See. Inti can I say Gabby unim ufi wa visit ufi pen na muni ade. Assuming say Gabby so unim ufi na muni ade. Even though me person me bo je no. Can you say Gabby unim ufi wa ba ufi unim family no any ade?
Yes, wa ba ufi unim family.
Unim family the plan.
Yes.
I see. And Gabby so unim husband.
Yes.
Any nina.
Yes.
I see. Now, let me present a short story of, because you are being pressed not to release more information, but this is something I am with my sweet Richie. You are Gabby undertaking or any signature and so forth. Do you recall our signature and Gabby?
Yes.
Now, tell us also, sir, Ebra Gabby Bayano. Mode says he can man. A Korean say a relative no. Or Gabby Mane is a omran in chain. Into by any Gabby betray. Emma, my friend say obey to say Gabby houseboy be near the Disaáster.
Yes, so then it's not trying to help him to get a visa. Then I need call back.
Oh, I see. Go back to heaven.
Maybe you should buy in the village. That time he was in Takra.
Oh, I see. And a basa no me fa say it be so do we need how many days, weeks, months, and obey you or Gabby?
Maybe month or two, something. A month.
Oh, okay. And the time Ben and I say Gabby. Otumi ye visa mamo sakana time na muhu se Gabby nya dia visa no obetimi aya mamo ni scan so refund ya na so refund.
I think about a year or two later and the money was not refunded.
And muhu se visa na so see apart from that, what tries to get in touch with Gabby says a visa na office can run why is our attempt?
Yes.
How many attempts and why so far?
Several times.
Sorry?
Several times.
I see. Okay, wait here. I'll release this information. Just me and Kasa Amity. Me know him making one attempt echo Gabby office. I will aboni. They call Gabby office can the second one I know, and also back Ghana, and auntie, and so friend Gabby said, my name,
and my sister,
and an omatofo. And so requested Gabby Center on places can mana come ye, then a Gabby catcher.
Also, my direction on the Bembry, but mountain and Kennedy.
That I'm not which location.
Pentex. KFC was Pentex.
There's a whole shop. But Gabby only more.
Just a mechanic about area of the show intimation.
Oh, okay. And I don't know, you had the hopes that Gabby would definitely make it.
Yes.
Did he turn up?
No.
Into one man direction?
Yes.
One banner, debut now here. Did you try to call Gabby back to find out?
They were baking, me call, they were baking. And I left it.
And then what happened? You have to go back to London.
Yes.
Did you ever said?
And I would to get money and sort myself out. After that, I left.
I see. So as we speak, ever since then, Gabby has become a member of this government one way or the other. Once a Gabby can be as it were, say, sister, Sikana already prepared Jesus.
No. The last time we went to his office was 2016. That was the last time I went to his office. And that's it.
And then I'm in Okoye.
Yes.
I see. Great. On the paper, Washington's web said £4,000 sterling in those. How many years? Year Bernard says K corner.
2005.
Yeah, 205. So that's quite a long year. I young woman said the Gabby Sabi because we need Scanners with 20 years.
I'm even surprised. I'm surprised. So it shouldn't have been an issue. Because
the other kind of very important because it will serve as a lesson to others.
Because I'm not here to be a baby, but the choir, when I was in needed, now, people might say that say, yes, so I was watching me situation I'm a woman in. And I was thinking, that time the way okay, at least Kakrebiesha. The background of this is a year from close to a coming carry, but a young Nema, Messumidi Manufacturer say. This is because all along, we no office we na mankacho. Sad time no, Mammy my sisters who at the same time. Now my friend no disappointed me no, and then my open to you. And to Sanka, I wouldn't have said anything.
Would you conclude on Tama Gabby and it's obeyers argument? Not Gabby say, or ye Nipa Bang, and obeying at your service.
Oh, not so bad. In fact, one, I fast or you say, I know, I'm not say, oh, now he's got some friends and now you on help. And that's it, that left it. I was me no, because I know I am a papa, and not me person, make Gabby be dear kids and not be better. And like I said, all this while, send me be a man, but it's all the Libreneka. They see that incident now quite on the fast, and I'm a catch rail. I spoke to you as a family member.
And see, Gabby has structured that when so we say Kweku a family member, and I may investigate this case with. And that's why I call the office one on one soon meaning. And
yes,
we'll find out where.
Do the needful. Not here to disgrace anybody. And say, a patrol. Only dear, it will be expenses be away with piano. Only so even 1,000 and I said, media will move piano, but it's in expenses of over finance money.
And then, Modisha, the money baby.
For about 15 years. When it's only last month, and I'm attending Casa on the network of Libya for Italy.
Wow.
Yes, I do baby cry from no cry so because we thought he was dead. But thank God he's alive. And so maybe in any argument here, or no one casa, Monsot, I don't want to come in. Viviana, or no only deal. Yes, no one solve this issue. That's it.
Yeah, that's the part.
Folks, yes, Kweku Annan. The victim in this story. And I'm sure that now the name involved in this visa fraud is out there. Gabby asare otchere dini pie. And let me make this this is a part one of this story. Let me make this fundamental point. Mami and say, well, I'm a relative to her. Yeah, relations. That's what Gabby doesn't know. Yeah, meaning were relation. Now, Ebra Sammy no meaning na yako Gabby asare otchere daku ne office ewa here laboni here coffee shop nitiwo. Gabby see me boa me kan chem se me boa. Madeno, you shouldn't put all of us into some roughness. Me mami na yako Gabby office ewa laboni coffee shop niti. And guess what? And Gabby person what damn here, I have the video footage of what happened there. Say Gabby Asrochi Darko, what dare me? Me say, I have the video footage of what transpired there. And that day, when we went there, Yakoto wine, another friend, a very good friend to Gabby, and also a good friend to me. I have a friend Magas. I know so be Brenamuni Magas. Yes. All right. Magas was in the office. Yes. Gabby. Now, unim Gabby ye undertaking. I was saying, and I'm going to show you the undertaking. Any Gabby signature on the undertaking. And I want by close of tomorrow, Gabby Asrochi Darko, Omrambe denies any signature. Then we, because my BBR level, we take the next level. Then I'm going to say, we're part one. Yes, you are Bank of Ghana. Me de babe to her mama. But I feel Gabby Asrochi Darko a undertaking of the money involved. And sir, undertaking we move to screen so. And all that I'm asking is that Gabby Asrochi Darko should come and deny this undertaking as I'm about to read. And I'm just about to read. Shall we? Shall we? Or say, notes of acknowledgement. I, Asare Otchere Darko, on this day, Friday, 22nd day of December, 2005. Shall you know how many years near? 2005. Received the sum of £4,000 sterling. £4,000 sterling. Being the cost of legal consultancy. What is a legal consultancy here? Legal now ukwaji visa legal consultancy being NAPO Jumuaha. Gabby, what is the meaning of legal consultancy in this regard? Ukwaye visa mobi legal consultancy being. Tie or see legal consultancy. Fee, legal consultancy fee for an aspirant. For an aspirant to be completed by December 20th, 2005. Sign. Ena odesha ni signature na ewo Monfa nkone yenhwe Gabby signature ena ewo honom saa na saka bisa no ase pen no code say ena ewo honom ena otro wa say asare otchere Darko ena ewo honom enie and other things account ni signature ebacho Gabby signature na da no monfa let the signature of Gabby stay a while longer. MCR, please, we are doing something very important. Moment is signature no emra ene da hono. So Ghana for the purpose of clarity, we want Gabby Asrochi Darko to come and confirm this. Yeah. Ye pese Gabby ebe confirming signature na da one say no ho ne dia na nya ne dia. Right? Folks, ene da ho no. Enti Gabby Asrochi Darko wo undertaking away no. Na sikano oje adne saying 2005 the amount involved in this visa £4,000 sterling, and the Gabby yes come and ebroso. Gabby Asrochi Darko should be able to pay 4,000 in Mahombo for my auntie. But Gabby said no, ontia. Na muni ma de me auntie na ba omaimu ha several times ni Gabby edidi nkomo. Or ni Gabby edidi nkomo. And I'm aware of all the communication that transpired. The last communication between Gabby and my auntie name with her. My auntie was at a specific location. Gabby said, I'm driving to that location to give you the money. That was the end. Gabby, I have everything. And I want you to come and deny. Wait, I don't want you to come and tweet. Oh, no. Come and tell Ghanaians that yes, you know nothing about this visa fraud. The person Gabby we bold. Now Banobe cancer asem kre. Otchere Ghana for. The Ashanti regional chairman of the MPP, Ntwibu Esiakon, also known as Chairman Wontumi, is caught live on camera, lying and struggling to defend NPP and viable Agenda 111. Obi ti say Wontumi. Wa bon. Nipa bi say, some media metiti yo. Say Monsieur Oko Prempe. Na wo hwe Wontumi pa say wait. A student of Prempe College. My goodness. What? Wakaso sisiniti as say no ohaha ni saa te say dia. A confirm what ye kwakotwa niti. Kona ko defend Agenda 111. He goes there and start telling lies. I feel I confused. Lying right there on camera. Take a listen to this.
What the Ghanaians know, you know, look at the evidences that you are enjoying. Okay? Look at Agenda 111.
How many of them have you completed?
Oh, about 30 to 35.
Where are they?
Where are they? You can search. You are a journalist. Google now. Google.
Wait,
Bawumia,
you've been leading this campaign.
Now,
So just tell me.
If you go to Atuma one, yes, we are completing.
So they are not completed.
Agenda 111. I said that it's 111, and we are going to complete about 30 to 35
So you
this year.
completed it.
We have completed some. What the Ghanaians know, you know, look at the evidences that you are enjoying. Okay? Look at Agenda 111.
How many of them have you completed?
Oh, about 30 to 35.
Where are they?
Where are they? You can search. You are a journalist. Google now. Google.
Wait,
Bawumia,
you've been leading this campaign.
Now,
So just tell me.
if you go to Atuma one, yes, we are completing.
So they are not completed.
Agenda 111. I said that it's 111, and we are going to complete about 30 to 35
So you
this year.
completed it.
We have completed some.
Wait. The crown for the see some, some, and yes, he sees some, or dear, he's just lying. Meanwhile, the Asante regional, do any man is some 4 kicker, way, and Ntwibu Esiakon, and Tróuble, and in Ada, and here together with Bawumia are lying through their tongue to power, and you want to allow such radicals, these ragamuffins, rogues, rats, and crooks to come to power. How? Mudini crack a crown heading. Mudini journalists, you know, will be so. I'm here, or be so was some. And to open so no, I'm here no coquetting. On quiet to say, you say, Santa Mokasana Mukra, medium mood. That's why, Kweku, you don't get me in such places. Now, how? When I will yet your baby, and I will see agenda, no, and 12111. But come once some tell why you do a saying. Ehifa enye bekwaku hu afida woto na ototo papa so sa akotwisam enabrabasam enkontomposam ina anya ne kre. But of course, why not? They want to have their way because ukoken Ghana phone bibri will not resonate with that direction. It's sad. On my way, yawo. Sometimes we trust di. There's one policy be by Getrude Agyapong. Guess what Getrude did? In 1978 thereof. Getrude Agyapong shared Adiebi and also no listen. We have a lot of foreign companies or mobile Ababe left Ghana's mineral deposit, any natural resources like gold, diamond, timber. Or should you also know, wait a minute. We will not allow the foreign companies to come and dig our soil and take our mineral deposit, including our timber, and go like that and take the greater percentage. No. So what did he do? He went straight into the archives and lifted the blueprint prepared by Kweku Boateng. Kweku Boateng was one of a special aid to Osadifo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. When that document was there, Getrude Agyapong lifted it like this. And then he made a decree. A follow-up of the decree, what happened? That decree came out that any foreign company be amuwo meimuha. Se wutu gold, se wutu diamond, se wu follow ye timber, now they kwa Wayane says, see a team. Ghana must take a greater percentage of the mineral deposit and the resources. And then, who foreign company, you take the lesser one. This is what he did. Kutu Agyapong, a military officer. This is what he did. And then, under the Fourth Republic, go and read and check the archives. How many foreign companies have come on our soil that the government of Ghana controls the greater part of our resources? Number one, what percentage does Ghana have in our oil in the western region? Percentage in your womb. The Newmont and Asante Gold are digging your gold. How much of percentage do we have, government of Ghana have in our gold? And all the mineral deposit, how much do we have? Number three, if you win the Newmont group of companies were coming to the shores of Ghana. Former President Akufo at the time laid the red carpet for them at the castle, and they walked as if they were walking down the aisle into glory. All right, Newmont came and occupied many places, including Ahafo and Brim, and began to fall in Ghana's what? Mineral, our food staples, including our enviable export earning like cocoa, Newmont for Umutani Negui, including say Eniania Ghana for Nidia, Ewo Bordia Bantimenke, Yetani Negui in want of gold. Meanwhile, the government of Ghana wasn't getting the greater percentage, or no. And then Martin said Newmont full food. President Akufo saw red carpet at the Mamuju. I dare anybody come and challenge me, so I'm lying. And the worst part of it is this. Guess what? Newmont to phone feed woman to buy caterpillars, no all their saying hardware government of Ghana exempted tax from it. A bought down for sick, like Armstrong said. Sick, you are sick. You are mentally sick. And this Fourth Republic, oh come on. Leaders in yare for. Now, the chairman of the National Democratic Congress, NDC, Johnson Asiedun Kitia, has directed no NDC member of parliament should respond to any emergency sitting of parliament if they are called. Ora Asiedun Kitia koka enra, or see NDC new member of parliament be anywhere. SOC parliament, or if there is a recall that under certificate of urgency, nobody should step there. It is here, no. Obi can answer also, are you there? Are you there? And easy. It is here, no. Afenyo Markins in the group, no. Mode Supreme Court, Mahamadu Torkornoo, Esaba, Chief Justice. Na mo fi se mo de adibi ba abehye nipa kon se den no ene afidi o mo so mo nko na afi yenhwa de ebesi parliament o Asiedun Kitia warning na o de abeto am NDC parliamentarians no. Take a listen to him.
I
Yaki democracy yaki ho. Ya trust ma ba ko. Abi for bi on the channel na lake. Obeye no asa democracy. Ezina ezina. Anuti the answer to parliament ya. Wọ́n yẹ kọ̀tọ̀ káàní jáde fún ẹ̀ka sẹ́sẹ̀ ẹ̀dísẹ́ àjùmọ̀ parliament wọn wọ́n kọ̀tìrà wọn abánúgbẹ́kú ní àjà abánúgbẹ́kú fẹ́kù. Bẹ́sẹ̀ NDC MP fún òbí ayé emergency rékọ̀lọ̀ ẹ̀kọ́ PS wọn ọ̀bánú èlù democracy nù ẹ̀dẹ̀dẹ̀kọ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀. Bawumia, woman got a franchise, woman needs democracy. The leader of your parliament to me now. Yama Bada will sign that. NDC so Yama LPC so Amakawo. Yes, you may be democracy. Constitution, Yama Fortunate. One man, now we are lawyers for Ghana Bar Association. Now we can say we need to process for. Every hairdresser, everything taxi, and your constitution. And now, you can process for me to transform any hairdresser. The constitution, more than as a Muslim yasi. The area I will not have yasi. And when the answer, everybody for hiding, interpreting constitution. Now, all churches, the answer to the brothers. But here to the ground, the Kurokisia, the Elizabeth.
Folks, Agyapong. So very likely say this 8th Parliament way of 4th Republic, meaning baby Kwaku ended. Nobody know because you can see clear that there's a stalemate. And so the party chairman had spoken. So members of parliament belonging to the National Democratic Congress cannot, will not, and may not take their chairman's word in vain. So what it means is that Speaker Bagbin may perhaps not sit on the chair. Asamabawu.
Yo, tipo, we need and someone about it. Yep, so because this news so and our hello. So we now subscribe. Ya, Bomudia say over subscribe to the channel. Sanse Hadia later than hot news and qua Aremeyaw Bremo. After we are not like video, no nothing share my Ato Forson. We give you here now. And some I also I will Ghana no more. Also, between otchere what in fire and some way now. I will comment boxing. In my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.